and welcome to my continuation of my series of reviewing watching my favorite movies of all time in the next 2 or 3 weeks. Okay, so today I'm gonna review Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the 1974. So let me be clear. I said that I'm a fan and of the Halloween franchise. That the Halloween franchise are some of my favorite movies of all time. I can't say that about Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Okay, that's because um, I haven't seen all of them, and I did see some of the Michael Bay ones, like the beginning, and the one that let's see here, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the one that came out in 2003, and the one that came out in 2006. So those are the other two that I saw. I think they were directed by Michael Bay. And um, I think when I was little, when I was watching those, like in my teen years, I think I remember liking those. Now going back and watching them, they're not as good as this one, okay? The reason why I liking that, this had a good ending. I didn't know the girl was gonna get away. This movie is awesome, okay? Um, and so if I can say I'm a bit a Texas Chainsaw Massacre fan, like I was with Halloween, then I need to go back and watch every single Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie. Maybe one day, uh, I can, I will try to watch every single Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie out there. Cause right now I only saw three. I saw this one, um, 2003 and 2006, but didn't see any of all the other ones. Okay, but this one, like the original one, and really awesome, and I didn't see that twist ending coming, and they were awesome, and that's why it this and the Halloween franchise are awesome. Okay, um, and if you like horror movies, like it's like if you want to people that like Jason, Friday 13, Nightmare on Elm Street, Chucky, or so on and so forth, I highly recommend watching this one. This or this. These two are probably my favorite. But like I said, I still consider the Halloween franchise like my favorite movie of all time. Because there's some other one after the first one I still like the second Halloween, H2O, so on and so forth. But this one, I think like the only one I've seen so far, and like this is like the only good one I've seen. But maybe one day I will go back and try to watch all the Cappuccino Massacre. But but when I saw this, I was like, wow, this is really awesome. And I didn't see that ending coming. For that reason, the movie is awesome and one of my favorite horror movies of all time. And it wasn't as violent and bloody like the Michael Bay one. Okay, so I recommend it, and I'm gonna give it an A plus. Okay, and um, Thank y'all for watching. And new to my channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.